In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change Wise settings. By the end, you'll know exactly where everything lives and how to tailor your account to match the way you manage money, notifications, and privacy. First, open your Wise account and look to the top right corner of the screen. Click your name or profile icon there. This opens the area where your account settings live. You'll land on a page that brings all your key controls together in one place, so you can review and adjust them without hunting through multiple menus. On this page, start with Security. This is where you manage protections like login preferences and how Wise keeps your account safe. Take a moment to review your current setup and strengthen it where needed. Strong security helps prevent unauthorized access, especially if you use your account frequently or from different devices. Next, head to Notifications. Here you decide which alerts you receive and how you receive them, such as by email or push notification. Consider keeping confirmations and payment alerts on so you're always aware of important activity while turning off any messages you don't find helpful. Then, check integrations. If you connect Wise to other tools, like bookkeeping or finance apps, this is where you manage those connections. Review what's linked and remove anything you no longer use. Only keep integrations you trust and actually need. Move on to payment methods. This section lets you add, remove, or update saved cards and bank accounts. It's a good idea to tidy this list occasionally, remove outdated details, and make sure your preferred method is set as default so payments run smoothly. Look at limits next. Depending on your account, you may be able to view or adjust spending and transfer limits. Keeping sensible limits can add a helpful layer of control, and if you need higher limits, you may see guidance in this section on how Wise evaluates those changes. Check languages to choose your preferred display language and regional formats. Pick the option that's most comfortable for you. This helps reduce mistakes when reviewing balances, dates, and amounts. Finally, open Personal Details. Here you can update information like your address and other profile specifics. Make sure everything is accurate and current, so your transfers and verifications work without delays. As you make changes, look for Save, Apply, or Confirm before leaving the page. Some updates may trigger a quick security check, and that's normal. And there you go. Review your settings from time to time, especially after travel or major account activity, to keep everything aligned with your needs. That's all.